That's the 84 bridge. Hello everybody, today we're unboxing the new Hero 9 Black. This is just the unboxing, the first impression. Okay. Doesn't look like we need a knife. Actually, there's this thing over here. And you can open like that. And basically the whole thing slides out. Nice. Looks like I don't need a knife. Okay, let's open it up and take a quick look. Oh, nice. Here's all the accessory. The main one. It's the handlebar. Our proprietary handle. You guys can see here. Proprietary handle. Feels pretty light. It actually feels like it's something that will float in water. Let's get to the next one. Basically, it's a clamp that you can use to clamp your GoPro to another object. Wow, this thing is super tight. Over there. It doesn't. It looks like the magnetic. You guys can see here, it has the magnetic logo here. Cool. Okay, my backboard works. Okay, on to the next one. Cool, we got additional accessory here. 2 of these. GoPro, put it here, so I don't lose them. So let's just put them in first. Now this is a 3M tape one, so I assume you can adhere this to any glass surface if you want. You can use this to put it on a car or something. Okay. Anything else? Oh, this is cute. This is the battery. Feels kind of big compared to the other companies. So as you can see here, I have e-camera's battery here, side to side. It's a little bit thinner and smaller. The weight feel almost exactly the same. And we have 2 of these. Nice. It's good to have a backup. Let's see what else here. Okay, we've got a USB cable here in the box. And finally, we have the GoPro Hero 9 Black Edition. Feels pretty premium. Let's take it out. Let's check it out here before I take it out. It's quite nice. And it comes with the adapter inside. This is very neat. I like this design a lot. As you guys can see here, this design is very cool. You don't have to buy another accessory, and you can just flip it out like that. It's very cool, right? Okay, anything else we need to know? Are we supposed to keep the box inside here? I don't think so, but maybe it's better to just keep it as is here for now. And let's take a look at what's inside the documentation. There's the SD card. And then, okay, there's a sticker. GoPro sticker. And continue to subscribe to the GoPro Plus service. And finally, there is the instruction manual. There's something really strange about this GoPro. I opened it up and then I noticed this thing actually fell off. It might affect the function. Stay tuned, I'm gonna reach out to their customer support and find out what's going on. Okay, first impression, I figured out how to use this. You gotta pull this tab up and then expose this thing so you can slide in there. And put this back. Okay, I guess you don't put this back. Anyways, okay, this is how you use it. It's pretty sleek. Okay, this part is a little bit tricky. It seems like you have to pull pretty hard on this side to expose the battery compartment. Yeah, that's how you get in there. And because it's waterproof, so the USB-C cable actually is in here. I'm gonna put the battery inside like this, and then expose the hole here and start the charge. Start the charge like that. Start the charge like this. Yep. Let's power on for the first time. Nice. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool animation. See the back. Okay. Okay, great. Okay. I gotta turn on the app now. Okay, let's connect to the app. Agree. Not allowed. Okay. Add a camera. Searching. Okay, you found it. Pair. Okay, save as a new camera. That's it. I was checking on the battery life and it seems like you can actually charge while filming. So you can open this up, which is kind of cool, right? Just about when I was going to use it, it asked to update the firmware again, so here we are. Okay, let's go jogging. Put the mask on first. Some walk first. We're recording a 3D sound right now. I'm using the horizon leveling mode, so I can do some jogging. This is the sound from the original microphone, GoPro Hero 9. Oh, there's a guy working out already. This is the sound from the external mic. So running on the sand. Without the horizon leveling. And the GoPro native microphone. I'm running on concrete now. Okay, it's getting really hot. I changed back to horizon leveling and I'm gonna walk back. Okay, this is it. This is a quick raw video and also unbox first impression video about the GoPro Hero 9. The other feature I really want to talk about is the auto upload to your cloud. After you plug in the power source, the camera can be set up to auto upload the video file to the cloud. It's very convenient. It takes a while to get started, but once it's started, it will upload each videos to your GoPro cloud account. Feel free to thumb up, subscribe, and comment if you have any other questions about GoPro Hero 9. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.